how to log in into JCPenney Credit Card. To log in and pay your JCPenney credit card bill online, you can visit the official website, which is this one right here, jcpcreditcard.com. You may also head over to the official website in one of your browsers and look out for the menu at the top right corner to open up the menu. After you tap on it, you will be finding four options. Look out for the account option and tap on it, and it will take you to another page here. Right, available like this. Now here you need to just go ahead and enter up your login credentials to access your account dashboard. So go ahead and enter up your user ID in this user ID section, and right below it you may go ahead and enter up the password for your dedicated account. After that is done, you can tap on secure login and you will be directly logged in into the Jcpenny credit card account. Or you can basically go ahead and register if you have not signed yourself for your online banking, and even use this forgot user ID and password if you do not remember them. So this is how you use the options available within the website if you'd like to log in into their online payment banking website as well. So I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.